Hello Internet, in this video I will show you how to lay a bead of caulking in a form for a concrete countertop perfectly. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a car, a daily driver or a project car, or a project around the yard or a home improvement project, all of my do-it-yourself projects begin here in my garage. Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Welcome to my channel. Okay, to do this job, you'll need some paste wax of any brand, some denatured alcohol, some Q-tips, some silicone caulking, silicone only, nothing else, and a dowel. Now, first of all, the paste wax. The purpose of the paste wax is that the silicone will not stick to it. So we're going to put some paste wax along the edges, all the edges where we're going to put the silicone. And that way, when we remove the excess, it'll easily come up. You don't need a whole lot. But again, just all the corners. Okay, next we're gonna take a Q-tip and the denatured alcohol. You can buy this at Lowe's, Home Depot, practically any hardware store. You can also clean glass with it and at fuel stoves. And just put a little bit on the Q-tip. And basically the very corner, we're going to remove the wax. So this will easily remove the wax, and that way the silicone will stick better just where you want it. Okay, next you want to put a liberal amount of the caulking. You want to make sure you get it down pretty quickly, and don't worry about it. You can use a lot. The secret will be the dowel at the end, so you don't want to waste a whole lot of time because it will set up. But just all the places you just again want to put a bead of caulking. Okay, this is the secret. The dowel, just press down firmly. Don't worry about the excess, just push down firmly and strike all the places. If you mess up, just go back over it. Again, just make sure you press firmly. I'll do the same with this part. And now you just let it dry. For me, I'll just let it dry overnight, and in the morning we will finish it. Okay, it's the next day. It's time to pull up the silicone that we're not going to use. I've worked with silicone before, and in Phoenix where we lived, This stuff would set up amazingly tough. You could just take one little strand and just pull it all the way. This is we live in Dallas, Texas, and a lot more moisture in the air. And it didn't set up as firmly as I'm used to, but I still think it'll work. And let's give it a try. So you just want to find an edge here. You may have to use a little bit of some persuasion. It's coming up pretty well. Here we go. Okay, I'm finished with caulking this table. I'll be spraying in some lightweight concrete. It's part of an overall project. It's a fire table. There's the base for it. If you're curious at all of how this turns out, please see the card here above for that project. If you got any value at all from this video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.